ki kies ki bathamai ki bangiyo mentang asni ki long kendai pulai nagini kendai pulai hapo East Castles ki don ndre arpuai ki dei ki armed forces paramilitary forces South Sun naki wei West Garo Hills kendai South napo ki BSF Sun naki wei Ribhoi R West Khasi Hills Shipho North Garo Hills R East Janta Hills South but the case ki belong active hadu mentakasni shibaje gilang shi hajar lai pesan nakini ki shi hajar lai pesan ndrespa ndrefuar ki dei hapo East Khasi Hills but nakini ki ndrespa ndrefuar arspa sakulai ki dei napo armed forces paramilitary forces naki wei South pa kat khandai West Khasi Hills Arpupra Southwest Khasi Hills Iway Ribhoi Khandai Pulai West Janta Hills Lai East Janta Hills Khatar West Garo Hills Arspa Khatsan Southwest Garo Hills South South Garo Hills R East Garo Hills Lai North Garo Hills Khatar kini ki case Khandai Pulai ngut kilong gumni East Khasi Hills ndreu nakini ki ndreu arpuai ki dei nak category armed forces paramilitary forces Shipho ki dei ki random sampling ki bangiyo napo kliyo Khandai random sampling hapo Modfan Khandai random sampling hapo Anjali Iway random sampling hapo Police Bazaar laingot kidei ki returning R kidei ki influenza like illnesses ki ba report ki hospital Pra kidei ki contact naki positive case ki ba fair Iway idei ibatrei hapo Pulo collection center COVID-19 West Garo Hills Khandai Sao ki dei nak category armed forces paramilitary forces Lai Fulbari random testing R ki dei ki returnees Ribhoi R ki dei ki returnees West Khasi Hills Shipho ki dei ki napo Shalang random testing center North Garo Hills R ki dei ki influenza like illnesses ILI West Janta Hills Sao R gidei ki returnees R gidei ki high risk contact yang iway ni ki positive case ki baran hangtei dan iway ibakhlat no minne min mir hapo civil hospital chilo te iba refer na po Woodland Hospital ibakhlat no minne min mir idei iram bashandrai san prasnam garta sandrang napo Jalupara cantonment admit i hapo civil hospital hak khatway tarik u August 2000 idei bala refer napo Woodland Hospital iklat no hak arpoi tarik u August 2000 hak po Shipho South Sun minmir kadaw jong kajing klat ni gadei acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19. Idan ru kiwei ki jingpang comorbidities kita kidei diabetes mellitus but high hypertension kemudian high blood pressure. Hapo East Janta Hills Shi Hajar Aspa ndreu lying yo positive Shi Hajar Aspa ndrufulai negative hapo West Garo Hills Lai Hajar Aspa Khandai Kusan Shispa Arpusau yo positive tu kiwei pada kidei negative basa kidei negative East Garo Hills Sunspa Khandai Kulai Lai kidei positive but basa kidei negative West Janta Hills Khandai Spa Pra but na kini khandai spa pra baro kilong ki negative. West Khasi Hills sun spa andreu, but na kini sun spa andreu ar punyo gidei ki positive. Ribhoi ar hajar si spa sanfo ar fulai gidei ki positive. Southwest Garo Hills andreu spa laifo, but baro andreu spa laifo gidei ki negative. East Khasi Hills khat ar hajar prafulai, but nakini khat ar hajar prafulai ar spa lai gidei ki positive. South Garo Hills sun spa andreu fusau, but ar gidei ki positive. Southwest Khasi Hills si spa khandai kupra, but baro si spa khandai kupra gidei ki negative. North Garo Hills si hajar ar fufra, but nakini ki si hajar ar fufra khat ar gidei ki positive. Ki test ki bangile alut baro ki random testing kelum lang barakhat ki long ar fulai hajar ar spa ar fuwei, but nakini ki ar fulai hajar ar spa ar fuwei lai spa khandai punyo gidei ki long positive. There are positive cases. Shillong Times has got initially one case, then they got another 2 cases. One is a driver, one is a helper. So now investigation is still going on there. They have already given a report to the Deputy Commissioner. Government will take a call because that also is an essential service. Government will take a call to contain that particular area. Shillong Times lain ngot ki test positive hado mentah, but ki doktor jengi ban magistrate ki adai ban inquire hang tu tengah try ki contacts ki ba ki don hang tu mentah ki ai kateng kapoi shadu new photam te niladap ai ya ka report ka jengi bat ka sang sang ka sarkar mentah kan rai kumno nama katur ka di ka wei ni ki essential service ka bangin contain ki barkhat hang tu kin trai kam sunan hang tu ne ngin khang ni ka tu ka ki ong ngi ka ni ka wei ngalakli ka ni yang begini baro arngot ki balik cepo sekretariat kita ki bakham wan cha office shu kita terekam ne po ye yang dah mo hab quarantine ki barakhat. Then those who are being forced to work, okay, they will give us a complaint. Te mentah di bensu thu namar lada wei along positive fil alap sa arte kamut kal adai concern ni fi tengin rengka man batai namar barakhat ki bla nang bla syai bla sta ngin rengka man ban batai kata ngatrai ki kham ki lai kendo ingi barbor kila kham tip ha. Yeah, we are avoiding, so that's why if I had asked if there's anybody from Shillong Times, because if there's anybody from Shillong Times, I would have asked them to please go and quarantine first at home. Okay, and I'll tell you one thing, because of this, we have asked the team to inquire, and they'll come out clearly by tomorrow what actually happened. Kata mafi, ka statement galong back from responsible people. Till ada kadai ko mafi, then we have to take other courses of action.